What is the colon? Do I need a colon cleanse? Digestive health is integral to feeling happy, healthy and well. One important organ in the digestive system is the colon, also called the large intestine. Colon health is a significant part of digestive health. Some people claim the colon should be cleansed for optimal digestive wellness. However, research proving the effectiveness of cleanse is scant and low in quality. Still, certain aspects of colon cleansing may be beneficial. It may help issues such as constipation or irregular bowel movements, and there is some evidence that they can also reduce colon cancer risk. Other colon cleanse claims such as removal of toxins and parasites are questionable. 7 ways to do a natural colon cleanse at home. There are a few ways to colon cleanse. You can purchase a colon cleansing product, or you can even get a colonic irrigation or enema. Otherwise, you can do simple things to boost or cleanse colon health naturally at home. The following natural colon cleanse can be done cheaply, and they are also quite safe if done correctly. Water flush. Drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated is a great way to regulate digestion. People who support a water flush for colon cleansing recommended drinking 6 to 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day. Also try eating plenty of foods high in water content. This includes fruits and vegetables like watermelon, tomatoes, lettuce and celery. In fact, there are a lot of foods that help cleanse the colon naturally through diet. Salt water flush. You can also try a salt water. This is especially recommended for people experiencing constipation and irregularity. A 2010 study showed a salt water could possibly clear the colon when paired with certain yoga poses. Before eating in the morning, mix 2 teaspoons salt with lukewarm water. Sea salt or Himalayan salt is recommended. Drink water quickly on an empty stomach, and in a few minutes you will probably feel an urge to go to the bathroom. Do this in the morning and in the evening, and make sure to stay home near the bathroom for a while after the cleanse. You may need to go to the bathroom multiple times. High fiber diet. Fiber is an essential micronutrition often overlooked in the diet. It's found in whole, healthy plant foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and more. Plants contain cellulose and fiber that help bulk up excess matter in the colon. They also regulate constipation and overactive bowels while boosting helpful bacteria as a prebiotic. Make sure to eat plenty of high fiber foods which help a healthy colon. They can also be great for gut bacteria too. Juices and smoothies. Juices are popular colon cleanser. These include fruit and vegetable juice fasts and cleanses like master cleanses. There is not enough research on these for the colon. However, in fact, some researches points out risk. Even so, moderate intake of juices and juicing can be good for you. Juice blends contain some fiber and nutrients that benefit digestion. They also hold water to help hydrate and keep up regularity. What's more, a study in 2015 trusted sources found that vitamin C may help cleanse the colon. Vitamin C is found in a lot of the fruits and vegetables added to juice blends. Popular juices in juice fast and cleanse include apple juice, lemon juice, and vegetable juices. However, some dietitians may recommend smoothies over juices for colon and overall health. Since pulp and skins are removed when juicing, juices contains less fiber. Fiber is great for the colon, and smoothies hold a lot more fiber. You don't need to fast and drink only juices and smoothies to get any benefit. Just try including more in your diet, such as with a daily juice or smoothies. More resistant stretches. Resistant stretches are similar to fiber. They are also found in plant foods like potatoes, rice, legumes, green bananas, and grains. These promote a healthy colon by boosting gut microflora. A 2013 review on resistant stretches on resistant starches also found they reduce colon cancer risk. There is a downside though. Resistant stretches are found in carbohydrates. Still, low-carb dietaries can choose options that cause fewer blood sugar spikes. These includes rice and waxy potatoes. Includes these in the diet like fiber can be great for cleansing the colon. Probiotics. Adding probiotics to the diet is another way to cleanse the colon. This also boosts overall health in many other ways. You can get more probiotics by taking probiotic supplements. Also, eat a lot of probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, pickles, and other fermented foods. Probiotics introduce good bacteria in the gut with the help of fiber and resistant starches. These curb inflammation and promote regularity. 2 elements of digestive health related to the colon. Apple cider vinegar is also considered probiotic and is included in colon cleanses. The enzymes and acids insists that apple cider vinegar contains supposedly suppressed bad bacteria. Currently, there are no studies on this. Herbal teas. Trying some herbal teas may assist digestive health via the colon. Laxative herbs like psyllium, aloe vera, marshmallow root, and slippery elm may help with constipation. Make sure to talk to your doctor and follow directions closely before using these herbs. Also use them sparingly, otherwise they can be harmful. Other herbs like ginger, garlic, and cayenne pepper contains antimicrobial phytochemicals. They are thought to suppress bad bacteria. For this reason, they are included in lots of cleanses, though studies are needed. Try a cup of one of these herbal teas up to 3 times a day. Only drink tea once per a day for laxative herbal teas. What should you know about doing a natural colon cleanse? Interested in one of the above natural colon cleanses? Doing one in a gentle fashion at home is usually safe. Combining these with fasting or increasing the frequency of their use can have risk. If you have high blood pressure and must keep your sodium intake low, avoid salt water flushes. Side effects of intense cleanses include nausea, vomiting, dizziness, dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, cramping. If any of these symptoms occur, stop your cleanse immediately and see your doctor. These symptoms have the risk of leading to heart failure and digestive damage if the cleanse is continued. An enema or colon cleanse used occasionally poses little risk for a healthy individual, but overuse can quickly lead to chronic constipation or even bowel injury. Also, talk to your doctor before making major changes on your diet for colon health. This includes eating significantly more fiber, resistant starches, juices, and smoothies. Make sure to also be careful when using herbal teas for colon cleanses. Some herbs can impair or affect certain medications. Laxative herbs can also be harmful if overdone. Overuse of laxatives reduces the body's ability to move stool and can result in chronic constipation. If you have a chronic illness, talk to your doctor before doing a natural colon cleanse at home. Colon cleanses are not right for everybody.